Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walk around of a 2017 Mercedes C200 AMG line Premium Plus. This car has the optional 19-inch AMG Multi Spoke alloy wheels with the diamond turned finish. You've also got the gloss black exterior trim features which have been added aftermarket to the car, and the chrome has been removed from the badging at the rear as well as on the top of the door handles. You've got the privacy glass as well with this car, and you've got the darkened tail lights at the rear, all of these being optionals added to the car. On the inside of the car you'll notice mainly the red leather interior, also an optional feature. You've got the panoramic glass sunroof visible here. That's part of the Premium Plus package. Some of the other features you get with this package are the Burmester surround sound system as well as the heated front seats. You can see the options for the memory settings as well being shown here on the door. You've got your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel here, access to your cruise control functions just behind. On your center screen you can see you've got a reversing camera as well as DAB radio. And lastly you can see the open port ashwood trim being shown here as standard on the car. If you'd like any more information on this C200 AMG line Premium Plus, please don't hesitate to contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.